Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy side dish for any event, family dinner, potluck. All you need is a crock pot, corn, water, honey, and cream cheese. Let's go. This is literally the easiest side dish you can make. So I'm going to go ahead and put a Crockpot liner in my crock pot just to make it easier to clean up. Then we're going to go in with, I'm making a double batch, so we're going to go in with 4 regular sized bags of frozen corn. Then we're going to pour in a cup of water. And then, since it's a double batch, I'm going to use 2 packages of cream cheese. Now, this is easier if you let it kind of soften at room temperature for a little while, but it'll be just fine if you don't. And I like to cut mine just into manageable chunks. They just melt a little bit easier if they're in smaller pieces. And then we're going to go in with about a tablespoon of honey per recipe. So I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons. This just gives it some extra sweetness. And that is literally it. We're going to put the lid on. We're going to turn this on high just to get it going. Once this starts to heat up, I'm going to mix in my cream cheese. And when it's all nice and gooey and delicious, we'll turn it down to just warm and save it for dinner. All right, it has been a couple of hours. And this is nice and hot, so we're going to go ahead and get in here and stir everything to let the cream cheese start mixing in. See, it's really, soft and melty. So we're getting there. And if you find that yours is a bit too watery, which it still has quite a bit of cooking to do, but you could leave the lid off to let some of that water evaporate. Okay, it has been, probably 5 hours at this point, and I'm starting to see some browning on the edge. So I don't want this to burn or get too dry, so we're going to go ahead and turn this down to warm. It smells so good and it looks like the right consistency. So this is ready for dinner. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.